Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen. Hindi na kayo dalawa, kundi iisa. Iisa ang pintig ng inyong puso, iisa. So you are no longer two, but one. Florence Joy, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Ronald John na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
You take one another as a grace from God. Always keep that in mind. In marriage, you should always believe to yourself that the person with whom you would like kailangan ning lawe mo king asawa mo, grasya, disgrasya.
I woke up with you on my mind. Watch the air turn red. Yellow morning feeling of your eyes, waking up in me. You set my soul on fire. You put my heartbeat toward the sun. You give me new eyes open. You call my heartbeat into life. There's a quiet moment.
My Florence Joy Amoyo Tamayo Santos. Loves, mahal ko, Bebe loves, and now, Mommy loves. I love you, I love you, I love you.
Sino ba mag-aakala na nag-umpisa lang tayo sa pagiging magkaibigan at fling nung high school? Tapos ngayon, heto na, magkukulitan at magsasama na habang buhay.
We dream of this day, loves, promising in front of God to love and take care of each other forever.
This gift symbolizes my greatest love for you. Dahil ikaw at ikaw na ang magdadala at magre-remind ng mga bagay na malilimutan ko habang buhay. Steers. Ay, ino-open ba? Wow! Wow! Hello.
You give me new eyes open. You call my heartbeat into love.
Let's go.